Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock halogen fog light bulbs on this 2016 GMC Canyon with our SLF LED replacements. Installation is direct plug and play and requires no modification. Let's get started. All right, to get started with our fog light upgrade, you can see it here that we've actually pulled back the fender liner. There's 5 T15 Torx screws that you can remove to pull this back, although it's not necessary. If you actually reach up by the crash bar, you can go in through the front of the truck to access the factory fog light. This just makes it easier for installation as well as getting it on camera. But again, removing the fender liner like this is not necessary. Once you have access to the stock bulb, you'll simply reach in, depress the 2 tabs on the either side of the bulb, and it'll come right out. You can then remove the factory fog light bulb, set that to the side, plug in your 5202 SLF LED replacement. And then again, to reinstall it into the factory housing, you'll want to depress the 2 tabs on either side of the bulb. And it'll lock into place nice and easy. And repeat all the same steps on the other side to finalize your fog light upgrade. With our SLF LED fog light bulbs installed, we'll not only enjoy a fresh 21st century look, but dramatically increase light output at night. For more information on the SLF, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.